Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you clicking on that video as always. And we are back with another rack store pickup. And this time I was able to find possibly another Middle Eastern cheapy gem from TJ Maxx. As you guys know, if you're a fan of this channel, you've been watching these videos, I've been finding a lot of these Middle Eastern sort of semi-hyped fragrances. I've done a couple videos on those. I own a couple. They're fantastic. And I think I paid $13.99, $14.99, somewhere in that ballpark, less than $15. Incredible value and really great performing, great smelling fragrances. So when I was in TJ Maxx recently, I came across another one and immediately the bottle stood out to me. I said, I think I know what they're going for with that bottle without question. So the scent we are talking about today, and I don't even know what company this is from, but the name of the fragrance is So Pure Eau de Parfum. Now, I can tell you in hand, this bottle feels really quality, really heavy bottle. The cap feels really heavy. It's a metal cap, not plastic. So presentation-wise, obviously they are going for Xerjoff's Herba Pura. So Pure, Herba Pura, same color. Very Xerjoff-esque looking bottle. I paid $12.99 for this from TJ Maxx. It is a UAE made fragrance, and the brand on one of these stickers, it does say info@rvlbrands.com. So what I'll do is I'll take a look at that website and just see what it is. But yeah, let's try it. So I was just spraying it on strip, and I want to show you this atomizer. This is, I don't know if it's Milestone Perfumes or if it's the same company or if they're under the same umbrella, because it seems like some of these UAE companies, especially the ones that do fragrances, they own multiple companies. So there's multiple subsidiaries to like the one major mothership company. So this atomizer, these things are unbelievable. Pressurized atomizer. I mean, filling a room with this atomizer, it's a fire hose. It's the little things. Really fruity, citrus, sweet, super fresh, a lot of musk, a little bit aldehydic, really concentrated. So this is an eau de parfum concentration, and it smells really potent. Like it's really popping off of the strip. A little bit synthetic, but it's, I mean, I think this scent in specifically is a little bit synthetic. It has a lot of musk. It has this fuzziness to it, like clean, like dryer sheets. This is really nice off a strip. Wow. All right. I really wanted to try this one in store, but I like to get my authentic first impression for you guys. So let's get this on skin. I'm not going to bother looking up the notes. I highly doubt this is on there. I will take a look, but I don't think. What I find with these Middle Eastern fragrances is that there's very little information on them, at least the ones that you find loose bottles in the rack store. There's just, there's so many multiple companies that have their hands in it that I don't know who bottled this or who did what, but I'm going to try to research that a bit. As I always do, I'm going to wear this week, talk about it in my weekly wears video, which I drop every single Monday. So please be sure to subscribe to the channel if that's content that you think you want to see more of. But let's get this on skin and see what it does. I'm really impressed with the bottle and presentation. Obviously, they aren't being shy about who they're copying, but at the same time, it's not a cheap version of that. It's a really nice quality bottle. Okay, so I'm getting like a sweet mandarin orange or citrusy orange, really fruity. Vibrant, bright fruitiness, perfect amount of sweetness. This thing, I don't know if you guys can see, but the oil on my hand, I think this is gonna last. It's filling the room right now. So I'm getting a lot of it in the air. Obviously I sprayed it a couple minutes ago, but it's lingering. It's reminding me a bit of Lattafa's Ani Abiad, which one of my subscribers was nice enough to send to me. It's in that similar vein. As this begins to settle, I'm getting more of this vanillic mid, and you can tell it's setting the stage to sort of go in that direction. The fruitiness in here is awesome. This is, for $12.99, this is absolute steal. If you guys see this at the rack store, try it. I mean, the beauty of this, right, is that this is a loose bottle. You don't have to buy it. I bought it for the purpose of my channel. And normally, if I didn't have a channel and I didn't want my authentic first impressions of a scent, I would try it right in store and see if I like it. There's nothing in here that is making this feel like a $12.99 fragrance. Now, with that being said, I think you have to like this scent profile. This is unisex, 100%. The ladies can wear this for sure. Now, I think, when is this gonna work? Again, I'm gonna get more into that as I wear this, but it is very similar to Lattafa's Ani Abied. And I haven't smelled Herba Pura in a very long time. I would like to get that, at least a decant of it, and compare it to some of these dupes. There's not much to say about this. It's fruity. It is musky. It's really well blended. It has an amazing atomizer, really nice presentation. Obviously, if you don't mind dupes and them sort of going for the direct clone of even the Herba Pura bottle, this one isn't. It doesn't have the fuzzy, sort of velvety covering. But I really like this presentation. This would look good on anyone's shelf. Yeah, this is a unisex fragrance. Guys, just keep in mind this one might be maybe lean a little too feminine for you. For me, it does not. I think this is a great summer night out scent. I've said that about the Ani Abied, and I'm saying this about this now. I think this is a fantastic summer stunner. Like this is, there is no, in my opinion, there's no need to own Xerjoff's Herba Pura. I would have to really be blown away by the difference in quality. And just if it's just an absolute monster, that scent is not cheap. This is why I love rack stall hunting and finding gems like this, because I don't know if anyone has talked about this yet. I may be the first one. Let me know. But definitely, if you see this one out, try it, grab it, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. So Pure Eau de Parfum. As always, guys, let me know in the comment section down below, have you tried So Pure Eau de Parfum? Have you seen it out in the rack stores yet? I'd love to know your impressions of it. If you have tried it, let me know in the comment section down below. If you like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.